ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए, पीटर सर।
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Now you can start.
I will start. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't know what's going on with my camera. Can you see me? You can hear me?
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. First of all, thank you very much for being here. And I want to congratulate everybody. We are actually about 441 people on the Zoom. This is gorgeous. I have never seen this before. And I can tell you straight in your eyes, even here in France, we are not even, we're just a half.
Okay.
And this is gorgeous. It's all thanks to you.
The credit goes to you. The credit goes to you, sir.
No, thanks to you. You do an excellent job. So this is gorgeous. So warm welcome, 4:45. I won't count it anymore. I get too excited about it. 4:50. So now my name is Peter. I am Danish citizen. I live in France. I live on my boat in the southern part of France. And I'm a member of a marketing since the 11th of January this year. So now I'll tell you my story in a very simple way. We are here in the most simple business I have ever seen in my whole life. A marketing is so simple that you can explain it to some of your friends within, let's say, 45 seconds. When you can explain a business to your friends, you can duplicate it. And duplication, this is what we see here. This is the success of everything. This is the magic word of your success and to get an enormous extra income. So now I will split my screen with you. I will see here and we'll go to my back office. So you see exactly what we are doing. You see exactly how much I make, what it is, and you will discover something gorgeous. And I say it again, it is so simple, you cannot imagine this. I started a marketing the 11th of January this year. It's a bit more than 5 months ago. One of my friends from Lyon, Frank Bonneau, called me, said to me, Peter, I have a very, very good opportunity. I would like to share this with you because it's so nice. It's so simple. You simply has to know something about it. I think, okay, let's see what it is. He sent it me all. I enrolled myself. And when you get enrolled, you get a $50 gift certificate. They say it's a certificate. It's not a gift because you had to pay back the $50 to the company with your earnings. So it doesn't matter. I said, okay, I have nothing to lose. And I saw what's going on. You know, I tell you honestly, when you see simple things, in the beginning, I was a bit skeptical. I think, what is this? You have to be skeptical in life. This is your own secure. But then I saw it worked. I took some information on the net. Everybody was happy about it. And then I would start thinking to myself, my goodness, why didn't I start this before? Okay, you can't go back, so it doesn't matter. The first week I put in $100 in my robot. My robot turned big, faster and faster. I make more and more cash back. The second week, I put in another $100. The third week, another $100. So I've taken out of my pocket in total $300 in total, which I put in the robot. There, the third week, then we are about end of January. Today we are the 20th of June, 5 months later. Today I have made $4,487 in cashback, only in cashback. We are not speaking about MLM, etc. Only pure cashback. So it means that the $300 I taken out of my pocket has brought me almost $4,500 back. It's gorgeous. What have I done? Nothing. I spoke to my friends. They're doing the same. In India, you're world champions. You're doing much better than I do. There are people in India that make better than I do. And I'm very, very happy about this. So you see, when you have a good idea and you have an extra income, you would like to share this with your friends. And to explain the business in, as I said, 45 seconds, I'll tell you now what it is. You know, all the companies around the world, they make publicity on the internet. They have stopped the paper publicity. They make it all on the internet. They would all like to be referenced on Google Ads. Google Ads is number one in the world for all companies' point of view publicity. But it's very expensive to pay publicity on Google Ads. So they have found it out that if somebody else could pay the publicity, they could in reward pay a cashback out. So some engineers, Russian engineers, has founded up an algorithm, which is our robots, the market bots. Market bot is an algorithm that you feed financially. Let's say that you put in $500 in your robot. All the publicity, the companies who make publicity, they come in and they take out a few dollars, a few cents, thousands of robots all around the world. And they finance their publicity with this. So we pay their publicity. Up until then, it's good. But what even better is that all these companies, they have a contract with Amitat and a marketing. If your robot finds the buying between somebody who buys, is sitting in India, he buys something on the internet in Norway, and your robot finds the cashback, but you get the cashback directly in your pocket. And we are speaking about which companies? Big companies. Fasten your seatbelts. Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, Philips, Deutsche Bank, Apple, eBay, etc. It's all big companies. And there are more and more companies joining A-Marketing and Amitat. Today, we are more than 20,000 companies in the world joining the cashback system. I can even tell you here in France, we have a supermarket like Carrefour. I go and make my grocery in the shop. I pay, let's say, $100. I come home, I scan the bill, I put it in my back office. 2 weeks later, I got a cashback, maybe 1.5% or 5%. I can't remember it, but I get my cashback. This proves that we are in a really business. So let's say that your robot finds all these financial transactions. Somebody in India buys on Amazon. Amazon, let's say he buys a Spanish product. It comes from Spain, sent to India. You're sitting in India, you get your cashback in your pocket. My friend, you see here, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, his robot found somebody here in France who bought something in a French shop. It was not my robot which found it, it was his robot. He got the cashback. And this shows everybody all around the world can do this. So you see, your robot finance their publicity, and a reward, it gets a cashback back. It might be a few cents, $1, $3, $6 here or there. In the beginning, you'll make perhaps $10, $15 per day. It's nothing. But if you make this 500 times a day, it starts making huge amount. You'll see here, when you go here, click on sales. Oh, we can take it here. It won't show up. I go to my advertisement. I click on, yes, you see here on sales. I put it here down here. You see here, today we are the 20th of June. Sunday is not the best day of cashback. People, they're relaxed, they're with the family, they are going for a walk, they're going sailing, etc. It's not the best day to making cashback. But even, you see here, today I have made six sales. My robot has made 6 sales today. You see here, Pandora. You all know Pandora. Pandora is a Danish company. It's all around the world. Somebody in the world has bought for $47.31 on the internet by Pandora. Pandora proposed a cashback of 6.87%. My robot found the cashback. I get $1.79 in my pocket, and the company keeps $1.46. There's one thing you have to know. Let's say you get $10 in cashback. You get 55% of the $10. This is $5.5. The company keeps 45%. They have to live as well. They have to make a turnover. The company makes huge bunch of money in turnover. Of the 45% they keep, 25% goes into a fund, which pay you. It pays you even that the client return the stuff to the company. All around the world, we have 2 weeks. Here in France, it's 2 weeks to return the stuff if you don't like what you have bought. In that case, you should not get your cash back. But the fund of A-Marketing pays you the cash back. So here, the money which are here in this column, 71, 56, 011, this is all small amounts, you will be sure you get these at the end of the period. The period here is 52 days, 43 days, 30 days, 31 days. That's why it's very, very important. Once you get into the system and your sponsor gives you the $50 gift certificate, be sure right away, the first minute you're in, top up your robot with at least $100. 200 is better, 500 is genius. But be sure that your robot turns for the first 3 months without stopping. A robot which stops is no good. It doesn't bring you anything. The robot has to work 24 hours a day. When you click here on stats, you see here, this is my earnings per day. Yesterday was a little day. It was only about $48. The day before was a good day. It was $80, $73, $38. One thing which is sure, you cannot direct your own robot. Your robot goes automatically. It goes up and down. It's just like life, you know. You don't have sunshine every day. It's not pouring down every day. It's not snowing every day. Life is up and down. It's same with a robot. Some days you make more, some days you make less. One thing is sure, the company guarantees you at least 35% at the end of the month. No bank in the whole wide world pays you 35% a year. Here the company pays you 35% per month. But I'll tell you honestly, I don't know anybody who makes 35% a month. The minimum I know is 55% per month. You have here on the screen my friend, Mr. Rakesh Sharma. His robot makes more than 70%, and he's not the only one. My robot makes a little less. But you know, this is good. Here you can make a huge bunch of money only by investing in a robot, and it turns 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is gorgeous. So the only thing you have to do is to be a member of a marketing. You have to top up your robot with at least $100. I want to precise one thing. You should never go out and make a loan. Only put in what you can afford to put in. You should eat every day. It's normal. You have to live. Top up your robot with $100 and you see how it starts working. And this is gorgeous. You will see you're making cash back every day. Make this, you can talk about to your friends. That's why we have so many new people here today on the Zoom. And it's so nice that we all share this great opportunity to all our friends. So you see here, now we are in a cashback system. I'm not speaking about MLM. Let's do that in a second time afterwards. I will just leave the word to my friend, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, or to Terry Valentine, who can explain this better than I do in Hindi. Unfortunately, I don't speak Hindi, but I'll be here with you. But I listen to the sound, and I'm very happy to be here and listen to all this very nice language. I give the word Terry or Rakesh.